Is your washer not filling with enough water or overfilling with water? This is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the pressure switch on your washer. These instructions apply to washers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new pressure switch for your washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The washing machine's pressure switch connects to the tub of the washer using the pressure switch hose. As the tub fills with water, the pressure builds in this hose. This pressure allows the pressure switch to monitor the water level inside the tub of the washer. The washer uses this to fill with the proper amount of water. Some washers also use this information to determine whether the washer has fully drained during the drain cycle. If the pressure switch is damaged, the washer may overfill or underfill with water. Additionally, this can lead to error codes related to filling, not filling, or draining. For this repair, disconnect power to the washer. To access the pressure switch, we'll need to remove these 3 screws on the back of the washer using a 1/4-inch nut driver. Then slide the top panel back and lift it up to remove it. The pressure switch is located here. Depress this retaining tab on the electrical connector and pull to remove it. Then, reach behind the pressure switch and pinch the retaining tabs to remove the sensor from the washer's frame. Here is a shot of the retainer that you are trying to depress. Gently pull and twist the pressure switch hose to remove it from the switch. If you need to purchase a new pressure switch, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install, push the hose onto the bottom of the pressure switch. Then, align the pressure switch to the washer's frame and insert the retainer into the slot. Align the electrical connector to the pressure switch and press it into place. On the top of the washer, locate these black retainers. Then, align them to these slots on the bottom of the top panel and set them into place. Next, slide the top panel forward into place. Then, reinstall the 3 1/4-inch screws to secure the top panel to the back of the washer. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.